Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are absolutely well. So today in this video we're going to see how we can promote our CPA offer using Instagram email marketing. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe and join our Facebook group Premium Shot to get daily updates. First of all, you should have an account in CPA network, and I'm assuming that as you are come to here see this video tutorial, then you might have an affiliate ID in CPA network. You can apply this method what I'm going to show you today in method to any of your niche. You can see in Instagram there are three major page categories. Number 1, entertainment. Number 2, knowledge. And number 3, income or make money online. It's up to you what you say. Anyway, so if you want to promote your offers in Instagram, then you have to choose your offer in CPA network based on these three categories. So if you want to work on entertainment niche, then you have to go a bit down and select pages like fun, movies, songs, song lyrics, celebrities, celebrity gossips, games, players, brands, player biographics, etc. Okay, so there are a lot of traffic you will get from this entertainment topic. So follow. Number 2 is knowledge topic. So if you want to work on knowledge topic, you also get here a lot of audience who like travel pages, facts, then fitness, reviews, tools, kids, diet, doctors, disease, and there are some other Instagram pages like for engineers and different type of pet like cat and dog, their breeds. Okay, so and now if you are not like to work on these two categories, then there is another option out there you can choose to work on is income or make money online niche. So the page you have to select like in this category like crypto, Bitcoin, PayPal, CPA networks, affiliate networks, Amazon, gift cards, clickbank, giveaways, a lot of. So for finding pages, you can also go different type of make money online blogs and search their Instagram pages. So you will get a massive amount of traffic all of these three categories. So it's up to you which category you want to work with. Suppose here I select income category. So now I'm going to choose offer in CPA network which are related to income. It can be something like courses or surveys, giveaways, job offers, etc. Okay, so now let's get to the video. Okay, so we are now in Instagram dashboard. You can use any of your Instagram account. Here I'm searching for crypto related pages as my offer is also a crypto earning product. Here you can see what you can use later to search the top post pages with high engagement rate. And this first post account looks good and has some pretty good engagement rate. Now open Excel sheet and save informations like target profile name, username, post link, and how many likes this had and how many comments. So after you have saved your information, then scrap all those usernames from this particular post. Here, if you don't know how to scrap all this, just check this video where I have shown you how you can do this process. Now create two fresh Gmail as your target profile. Then go to your Chrome browser and add their mail checker extension, which is going to help you for track every mail that you send. Connect this with your account, with your Gmail, and use this free. For better use of this, you can go with a pro account where your receiver unable to send any trademark of this tool. Now here you need a software for extract emails from those usernames that you scrap. The software link in video description. So import here your username and then log in this software with your Instagram ID. Then extract your extractor. Okay, we got some result. Now stop this and save those result. So here you can see we got here some numbers and emails. Okay, so if you are thinking to start your promotion and want to send mail, then just stop here. Most of the marketers did the same mistake, so prevent from this. And for doing it the right way, here you're gonna need a tool, online tracking software, which going to help you to track every single click that your promotional link, your offer link gets. After you sign in this tool, start new campaign and set your tracking link. In primary URL, give your offer link, and you have to promote that link you see above you see. So this tell you how many unique clicks and fake clicks you got. So get the link from video description and get 14 days money back trial. Okay, so here in your Gmail, give users email that you extract, then an unique subject line, and in your email body give unsubscribed link like I do. So give here your second mail that you have created earlier. So in your first mail you should not do any promotional stuff, and here you have to introduce yourself as the owner of that Instagram profile. In this email template, I asked her that she always liked my Instagram content, so it seems that she is pretty interested to make me online niche. If you are working on other niche, just change the main keywords here and leave the email as it. So I told her that I have created a new free course, new free case study. So is she interested? Then just reply yes. Here you can include other important details like features, what it's gonna do, how it will work, etc. So now if you want to send bulk email at it, then you can follow this video where I have shown you how you can do this with a unique email sending method, and it's absolutely free. So now, as you told them you are gonna give them a case study, so just search online with your topic and find a good article on this, then save this copy and save this article in your what document, and if there are any hyperlink, just remove those and give your tracking link. Then save it as a PDF. So if they responds you back, just send them this PDF. So here you can do the same with a YouTube video. Just go to YouTube and search for a related video and download this. Remove any part that have website mention. So if there are any mention of website, just remove that part with the video editor software, and then upload this video to your YouTube channel. So make sure the YouTube is same name as your Instagram target profile. Upload the video, and in the video description leave your tracking link. You should say here there something like the actual link that's going to help you to do all this stuff. So after you upload, make this video unlisted and copy this link. Now in your Gmail, set an autoresponder. So if someone reply you back, then it will automatically send them your mail with your tracking link. Here, if you want to give PDF link, just upload that PDF in somewhere and get the link and set here. Now you are all set to go. Okay, so remember, we also got some phone number, so you can get a new phone number and send them message like you send email. So you can check my this video where I have shown you that how you can get free email for doing this type of stuff. One thing remember, for making this type of video takes a long time and research. So if you find this video a tiny helpful for you, then please give a thumbs up, give a like in this video, so that this type of support always encourages me to make new videos daily for you guys. Anyway,